Hello everyone and welcome back. I am Pooja Upadhyay from Department of Advanced Management Studies, GS College of Commerce, Wardha. In the previous video lecture, we have started the topic of digital marketing. In that, we have covered the basic introduction, significances and limitations of digital marketing. In today's session, we will discuss the difference between traditional marketing and digital marketing. So let's start. The very first point of differentiation between traditional marketing and digital marketing is marketing medium. Marketing medium is an intermediate used by the marketers in order to run their campaign to promote particular product or service. In case of traditional marketing, all the offline sources and mediums are used for marketing. The popular examples for traditional marketing are broadcasting, telemarketing, print media marketing, outdoor hoardings, posters, etc. In case of digital marketing, the name itself suggests that all the digital platforms like social media, websites, blogging, emails, etc. are used as a marketing medium. The next point of differentiation is marketing analysis and marketing measurability. Marketing analysis plays very important role from the perspective of businesses. On the basis of performances of marketing campaign, they decide the planning related to the production, human resource management, financial management, etc. In case of traditional marketing, it is very difficult to get the exact figure and monitor the exact performance of the campaign. Whereas in case of digital marketing, marketer access the correct and quantitative number of viewers who have visited their advertisement campaign. They also know how many of the consumers and viewers reject to see or visit their advertisement campaigns. So from the point of view of digital marketing, it is very beneficial for tracking and monitoring their marketing campaigns. The next point of differentiation is marketing cost. Marketing cost is the amount of money invested by the marketer in order to plan, to execute and to control all the marketing campaigns. In the previous video lecture, we have already discussed that in case of traditional marketing, it is very costly affair for the marketers to execute the advertisement on broadcasting medium or on print medias. Whereas in case of digital marketing, marketing a particular product or service is comparatively less costly. The next point of differentiation is target audience. Here, in case of traditional marketing, the target audience is limited to particular city, region, area or country. Whereas digital marketing goes worldwide. So marketer can target simultaneously huge number of population present in different areas of the world. The next point of differentiation is consumer interaction. In case of traditional marketing, marketer get very rare chance to interact with consumer and get direct feedback from them. Also, here viewers and audiences do not get choice to view particular advertisement campaign. Whereas in case of digital marketing, marketer can directly get feedback from the audience and viewers. Here viewers get choice that whether they want to visit a particular advertisement, whether they want to see it or not. There is one more importance is the communication takes place in digital marketing is two-way communication, whereas in case of traditional marketing, it is completely one-way communication. The next differentiation point is campaign lifespan. Campaign lifespan is the time when the consumer or viewer remind the product or services with the use of the campaign run by the marketer. Here in case of traditional marketing, the traditional marketer can successfully create the image of particular product or services in the minds of customer, and when they buy a particular product, then they remind the campaign very easily. Whereas the lifespan of campaign in case of digital marketing is very small. It completely depends upon the content of the digital marketing campaign, that whether it will sustain a long time in the minds of customers or not. The next differentiation point is speed of interaction. In case of traditional marketing, the campaign run by the marketer goes very slowly and hit the target consumers and target population after so many long time. Whereas in case of digital marketing, marketer can instantly hit the campaign in the minds of customer. So these are all the basic difference points which differs the traditional marketing and digital marketing. I hope you understand this all. So in next video lecture, we will discuss the marketing environment in digital world. Till then, be safe and keep learning. Thank you.